Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and let the engine cool completely before you begin work on a 2004 Toyota Sienna. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent accidental electrical contact while you reach around the accessory drive. Remove the plastic engine cover and loosen or remove the intake resonator and air hose to expose the serpentine belt, pulleys, and the belt tensioner. Keep fasteners organized and set a magnetic tray near the wheel well for control arm and airbox bolts. Study the belt routing diagram under the hood or photograph the pulley path so you can reinstall the new belt correctly. Use a 14mm socket on the tensioner and a 3/8" breaker bar to rotate the tensioner and relieve belt tension. Rotate clockwise on this model to free the belt. While holding the tensioner, slide the belt off the alternator or easiest pulley and slowly release tensioner. Remove the belt and inspect every pulley, the idler, and the tensioner for play, glazing, cracks, or rough bearings, and replace faulty components. Route the new serpentine belt following the hood diagram or the photo you took, making sure each rib seats squarely in every pulley groove, and the belt winds over and under the correct pulleys. Use the 14mm socket and 3/8" breaker bar to rotate the tensioner, slip the belt over the final pulley, and release the tensioner slowly while observing proper seating. Tighten any removed components, reconnect the negative battery terminal, start the engine and run for 30 seconds while checking for noise, proper tracking, and 1/4" deflection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.